Hi, my name is Marin, and I'm here to unbox and check out the Hasbro Strongarm blaster with 6 elite darts and some instructions. So I purchased the Strongarm blaster on Amazon. Amazon can come with a frustration-free packaging. That's kind of something that they just offer to their purchasers. So this is pretty cool. It makes packaging really easy. I just open the box and pull the toy out. And then here we are. We're ready to roll. Just got a couple pieces here. There's one little cardboard piece here. And that's really nice because if you've seen any of the other videos I do, some of this packaging is really elaborate. It takes a little bit of time to pull the toy out. A lot of cutting, a lot of pulling, and a lot of pieces. But we got our gun right here, and we got our 6 elite darts right here. So I know my kids are gonna love this. They love anything that involves aiming for a target and just doing their best to give it a shot. So I'm really stoked about checking this toy out. It comes with these 6 darts. The darts have rubber ends that are a little bit weighted, so as you can see when I dropped it, it wants to fall down with the rubber end going down first. So those darts are weighted, they're gonna shoot out, but at the same time, if you get hit with them, they're super spongy and soft. So this is, you know, your stereotypical Nerf type of toy here. Nerf guns have been around ever since I was young. And we got our gun here. Looks like we can load it. So let's go ahead and see how we do this. I got a button here on top. Not sure what that means. Oh, okay. There's a button here that pulls it out so you can load it all. There we go. Now I got it. So we're just going to load them all in. This is geared for ages 8 and up. Pop it in. Not sure what this button does other than, I'm not sure. But I think we just pop it in and not go. So, oh, okay, I have to pull it back. So I pull this guy back. Oh, that sets the spring. And then, oh wow, oh my goodness, that goes really far. So I just hit the window. That is awesome. Cool. This goes far. I don't think Nerf guns were this cool when I was young. Strongarm is a good name for this gun because, man, oh man, that is really cool. That is so cool. Let's try that in slow motion. So it comes with an actual little spot so they can aim, they can shoot. You want to line up that spot in between, just like any, you know, BB gun or airsoft gun. And I'm super impressed with how much spring, how much strength is in just that little fire. I mean, this was pretty self-explanatory. I could have taken the instructions and I could have read. Let's check out what this, I want to check out what that little button's about here. So it says, so this button is the barrel release, obviously. This is a rotating barrel. And then it says slam, fire, slide, this guy. Being able to pull it to reset, that's pretty cool. It just makes it fun and imaginative and realistic. So load all 6 darts into the rotating barrel, push it back until it snaps, pull the slide back until it clicks, then pull to hold the trigger. So I don't think this little button is really for anything. I'm not sure why it presses like a button, but that's all it takes. Woo! And then you get to shoot your targets, or if you guys are playing, you know, or your kids are playing, you guys. I actually play with my kids, so I'm pretty stoked to play with this. We'll probably have to get a couple more so we can all kind of fire off at each other around the yard. So anyways, this is a really cool toy. I love how simple it is. It feels very durable. I love how easy it is to use, and I really love how well it works. So thank you so much for joining me here and checking out the Hasbro Nerf Strongarm with the 6 elite darts. This is pretty awesome. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. My name's Marin, and thanks for watching.